Hey, what time did you wake up today?
I woke up at 7 in the morning.
Did you sleep well last night?
Yes, I slept very well.
What's the first thing you do after waking up?
I brush my teeth and wash my face.
Do you make your bed in the morning?
Yes, always. I like a clean room.
Do you eat breakfast at home?
Yes, every day.
What did you have for breakfast today?
I had bread, eggs, and a cup of tea.
Do you eat breakfast alone?
No, I eat with my family.
Who cooks breakfast in your house?
My mum usually cooks it.
What time do you start your work or study?
I start around 9 o'clock.
Do you work from home?
Yes, most of the time.
Where do you work in your house?
I work in my small study room.
Is it quiet there?
Yes, it's a peaceful place.
Do you use your phone while working?
Sometimes, but I try not to.
How many hours do you use your phone at home?
Maybe 3 or 4 hours a day.
What do you mostly use it for?
I use it for music, chatting, and watching videos.
Do you cook lunch yourself?
No, my mum cooks lunch for everyone.
What do you usually eat for lunch?
We eat rice, curry, and salad.
Do you take a nap after lunch?
Yes, a short nap for 30 minutes.
What do you do in the afternoon?
I study, read books, or help around the house.
Do you clean your room every day?
Not every day, but I try to keep it tidy.
Who cleans the rest of the house?
We all help. My mum, dad, and I.
Do you wash your own clothes?
Yes, sometimes on weekends.
What do you do when you feel bored at home?
I listen to music or watch TV.
What kind of music do you like?
I like soft and relaxing music.
Do you talk to friends from home?
Yes, we chat online or make video calls.
Do you help your parents with housework?
Yes, I help my mum in the kitchen and my dad in the garden.
Do you have a garden at home?
Yes, a small one with flowers and vegetables.
What kind of vegetables do you grow?
We grow tomatoes, mint, and chilies.
Do you spend time outside in the evening?
Yes, I sit on the porch and enjoy the fresh air.
Do you have dinner with your family?
Yes, always. We eat together and talk about our day.
What time do you usually have dinner?
Around 8 o'clock.
Who washes the dishes after dinner?
We take turns. Sometimes me, sometimes my sister.
Do you watch TV at night?
Yes, for a short time before bed.
What do you watch?
Mostly news or short comedy shows.
Do you read before going to sleep?
Yes, I read something light, like a storybook.
What time do you go to bed?
Around 11 o'clock.
Do you sleep early on weekends?
No, I usually stay up late and watch movies.
Do you enjoy staying at home?
Yes, very much. Home is my favorite place to relax and feel safe.